I say, it's a really exciting time in Christmas trees. Drones are really getting to the point where we're actually going to be able to use them for a lot of stuff. And in the past 3 years, we've gone from just playing with the idea of maybe looking at drones to now we have some of our larger growers buying multiple, agricultural drones just because how effective they are in our fields.
They were hiring the labor who was going manually and count plants. They also, some of them are hiring people to measure the height, because based on the height they tell the price. And that process of scouting fields and counting fields, because they have in some big nurseries that we work with has more than 100,000 trees. So measuring them and counting them would take them first a lot of labor and then a lot of time. They are now for sure how many of them are sold. Where they were, we can also give them the tree ID for each tree to track it. But the simplest test that we were doing, we were sending 3 people to count the same area, and all of 3 of them came back with the different results. And with our software, everything is digitalized, so they can see the fields from above and they can see the results, because each tree is marked with a point, and determine the accuracy and exact condition.
A big part of that, again, is our incline. We have some Christmas tree fields at like 60, 70 degree slopes. And a lot of the kind of ground-based mowers cannot handle that kind of steep slope. So the ones that are just now coming out, are heavy-duty kind of tank tread-based flail mowers that can actually handle our inclines.